Hello guys, I'm back with this beautiful crochet tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for more beautiful crochet tutorial. For this tutorial you will need this crochet hook 2.7 mm, and I use cotton yarn number 1, you can say fingering yarn. I use 2 colors, and if you want to make with one color, you can use only one color. It's totally up to you. Okay, make a slip knot and chain 4. And insert your hook in the last stitch and make a slip knot again. This way we can make a hole. See, now chain 3 and make a double crochet in this hole. And we will make 11 double crochet in the same hole, and plus this chain that we made, so we will have total 12 double crochet in this hole. Okay, make double crochet and I'll meet you there. Okay, now we have 12 double crochet. Let's count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. This is the chain that we make, and now we're gonna weave this tail in the last. Now can you see this? We're gonna insert our hook in this stitch like that, and yarn over and make a slip stitch and chain 3. And do a double crochet in this same stitch. See, we will make 2 double crochet in every stitch. Let me show you, like that. Now in this stitch we're gonna make double crochet, and in this stitch, in every stitch we will make 2 double crochet. Okay, remember. One and 2. Keep going like that. See, 1 double crochet and another. Okay, I'll meet you in the end. You just need to see your stitch like that. Okay, see, keep going and I'll meet you here. Okay, now we have 24 double crochet. Let's count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. Okay, we have total 24 double crochet in this round, and join it with slip stitch. In this stitch, insert your hook, see, yarn over and slip stitch. Now chain 3, and actually in this round we will make chain 4, and we will skip one stitch. So can you see it? We're gonna skip one stitch, yarn over, and insert your hook into this stitch, see, and make a double crochet, and another double crochet we will make in this same stitch. Like that, and chain 1 and skip this stitch and insert your hook into next stitch and make a double crochet again, and second in the same stitch, second double crochet, okay, and chain 1 and keep repeating it. See, I'm showing you. Okay, like that. Okay, chain 1 and keep repeating it until this end, and I'll meet you here. Okay, now we complete this round, and what we will do, we will make a double crochet where we made chain 4 earlier, see, and join it in this space that we created, see, this round is complete. Now we will make another round. So chain 3, yarn over and make a double crochet in this space, and yarn over and another double crochet in the same space. Now we have 3 stitch in this space, and we will keep going like that. Chain 1 and insert your hook in the next space and make a double crochet. Chain 3 always count as a double crochet. Okay, so we will make 3 double crochet in this space. Okay, This is third double crochet in that same space, and chain 1 and yarn over and make another double crochet in the next space. We will make 3 double crochet in every space that we have, like that, and chain 1. We will keep repeating this until this end, and I'll meet you there. Okay, this round is complete. Sorry, I have added my second yarn earlier because I ran out of my yarn, so sorry about that. I'm just showing you, so sorry for this. Join it with slip stitch. We will make now chain 5. Okay, and skip 2 stitch this time, 1 2, and insert in the next C this stitch, and join with slip stitch, not double crochet. Just look, see, chain 5 again, and insert your hook into the third stitch, skip 2 like that, and make a slip stitch, and chain 5 again, and repeat the same. See, we will keep doing this until the end. Okay, skip 2 stitch. Can you see? We have to make all stitch like that. Skip 2 every time, chain 5 and skip 2 stitch every time. Okay, now I've completed it, and we left 2 stitch, so we will join it in this stitch where we started. Okay, like that. Sorry for my light. And chain 1 and cut the yarn and pull through this, and now we have completed our beautiful crochet coaster. When you cut the yarn, pull through it so it will make a knot, and weave this tail into this border and this tail into these stitches. Okay, I hope you like this video, and you can make a set of these coasters for yourself, and you can improve if you want. And if you do, please share with my Instagram account and tag me. Okay, I hope you like it. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.